at Madison Square Park. It's some Indian cultural festival. And we're swinging along. Say hi, Papa. 8 months, 2 weeks old. You see there's lots of activity in the park. Lots of activity. Papa's having his what do you call this, a snack? You're having an early bottle. He's able to swing and drink at the same time.